Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, we are talking about multiplying with decimals. We're talking about multiplying with decimals today. We talked a little bit about it yesterday. Our first step when we're multiplying with decimals is going to be to estimate. And if I look just at the whole numbers, I have 9 and 3. So what would my estimate be?
It would be 27.
27. Because 9 times 3 is 27. So my answer needs to have a whole number around 27. It might be smaller than 27, but it needs to be around 27. It obviously can't be 450. It obviously can't be 5/10. Okay, so our answer is going to be somewhere around 27. I'm going to show it two different ways. And on today's Google Classroom, you'll see 3 or 4 different ways of doing multiplication that we did in tutorials last night. You're going to have to know how to do 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication, which is really pretty easy. We're going to use the standard algorithm. Same problem, but I'm doing it while ignoring the decimal points. So I don't line up the decimal points. I'm going to do it and ignore the decimal points. But let's see, Liam, how many numbers are going to be behind my decimal point in this problem? 3. How do you know? Because Brantley told me. How many numbers are behind the decimal point in this part? 2. And how many here? 1. 2 and 1 is 3. That means there needs to be 3 behind it in my product. So we're going to start with the ones place. 1 times 6 ones is?
6.
1 times 2 tens is? 2. So we have 2 tens, which would be actually the value 20. 1 times 9 hundreds is? 900. Okay. Now we are moving to the tens place. So then I have to put my 0 in the ones place so I don't do something cattywampus and put my product numbers in the wrong place. So that's the reason the 0 goes down there. Now I have 3 times 6, which is?
18.
That is 18 tens. So 18 tens is going to give me 108 tens. 3 times 2 is?
7.
6 plus 1 more is? 7. So I have 7 hundreds. And 3 times 9 is?
27.
27. I have nothing that I regrouped. So if I did my work right, and hopefully I did. Hopefully I did. I got 28706. Liam, where is my decimal point going to go? This was my estimate. If I put it here, am I going to get close to 27? No. Here, am I going to get close to 27? No. Here, am I going to get close to 27? Yes. Also, if I go back to what I had here, 3 numbers behind my decimal point, my problem, 3 numbers behind it, my answer. I'm going to show the other way. How many of you use this?
Sometimes.
Okay, so a lot of you use it, know how to use it?
Sometimes.
All right. What we're going to do is we're going to go through this, and then what we do is we add all these products together. So it's kind of like Battleship, where you say, A4, you sank my battleship. But where 30 and 90, the box for 30, or 30 and 900, what's 9 times 3? 27.
Plus 3 zeros.
Plus 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 27,000. Well, so far we're good. 28,000. And what's 1 times 900?
900.
30 times 20.
30 times 20.
600. 1 times 20.
180.
1 times 20. 20. Shh, relax. He was just anticipating this one. 30 times 6 is? 1 times 6 is? Okay, so these are all the products of breaking it up here. So we can do 27,000 plus 600.
No, I thought you had to do it in order from the greatest to least.
Okay, we can do it from greatest to least.
780.
900, 600, 180, and then 6.
No, 20. 20.
Up 20, 20, and then 6. And then if we add that together, hopefully we get 28,706. Then we go back and we put our decimal point in the correct location. Yeah, I'm not adding it up together. I'm trusting that you guys did all your math correctly because I didn't do any of this math. I just listened.
Yeah, we did good.
Boom! Shakalaka. Peace out. God bless. Love you to some time today. Save the beans and subscribe.